Today I am going to tell you about N8N versus Vectorshift. N8N is a powerful workflow automation tool that allows users to automate tasks, integrations, and workflows using a no-code/low-code drag and drop interface. It is highly customizable, enabling users to extend its functionality with JavaScript, and supports over 350 integrations with APIs, databases, and cloud applications. Being open source, N8N provides flexibility in deployment, allowing both self-hosted and cloud-based setups. It is ideal for general workflow automation and business process automation, making it accessible to users with minimal technical expertise due to its easy learning curve. On the other hand, Vectorshift focuses on data and machine learning ML workflow orchestration, primarily catering to ML engineers who need to manage and orchestrate complex data pipelines. Unlike N8N, Vectorshift is cloud-native and uses an API and code-based approach for automation, making it more suitable for advanced ML and data processing tasks. It offers deep integration with ML tools and cloud platforms, but remains proprietary rather than open source. Due to its developer-focused nature, Vectorshift has a moderate to high learning curve, requiring familiarity with data engineering and ML workflows.